Last year, I took ME 438, which is internal combustion engine. While learning about IC engine, I realized that I could apply my knowledge from 438 as well as thermodynamics and heat transfer to improve efficiency and reduce emissions of a car, which is to help our society and environment. That's the reason I wanted to be an engineer. So I'd like to have an opportunity to work on engines, and I happened to hear about summer undergraduate research in engineering program where I could work with faculty or research scientists here at U of M. So I checked out the projects and found this diesel engine EGR cooler fouling. I talked to John Horde, who is my research advisor, and made an undergraduate RA position during summer. This project consists of two parts in a large scale. To collect the deposits from an actual engine running, our team used a customized shell and tube heat exchanger. After obtaining deposits from the engine, we tested removal mechanism of fouled soot and hydrocarbons using hot pressurized air and customized test rig. Once the data such as temperature and pressure were collected by LabVIEW, an AVL system, I analyzed them to find the effectiveness of the cooler, pressure difference, and so on. To analyze the chemical and physical characteristics of soot and hydrocarbons, thermogravimetric analysis and combustion DSM 500 FS particle analyzer were used as well. Also, to design concept models of the next test rig, I used SolidWorks, which I learned and used during my undergraduate so far. Since the project is sponsored by Ford Motors, I also had to prepare the meeting monthly with other teammates and my advisors. First of all, I definitely learned a lot about heat exchanger not only used in auto industry but also used in crude oil refinery system. By reading many papers and literature from conferences, companies, and SAE, I also learned why particulate matter and hydrocarbons deposited within the cooler, for example, thermophoresis, hydrocarbon condensation, and van der Waals forces. This helped me understand better about the importance of EGR system in modern engines and why EGR cooler fouling matters in terms of engines' performances. In addition, I learned how to set up experiment plans, data acquisition and analysis, technical communication with other researchers. I think all these experiences I have had so far will be great foundation for my future academia or career in industry.